London is not just a capital, it's a multi-layered text or, as historians say, a palimpsest, where each new layer is written over the old without completely erasing it. This city, which has survived the Great Fire and wars, is constantly being reborn while preserving the echoes of bygone eras in its streets and alleys. Today, we will take a journey into the depths of these layers to unite history, myths, and modern pop culture. Our journey begins at the London Eye, in the vibrant cultural district of South Bank. The Wheel, which was opened on December 31st, 1999, to mark the new millennium, offers a view from a height of 135 metres. From the middle of Westminster Bridge, you get the best and most recognisable view of the Palace of Westminster and the Elizabeth Tower, known as Big Ben. A curious fact, Big Ben is the name of the huge bell inside the tower, not the tower itself. The tower has a slight tilt of 0.26 degrees due to the construction of the subway line, which makes it a leaning tower. A prison cell also once existed inside the tower for undisciplined members of Parliament. Nearby is Westminster Abbey, which has enormous historical and symbolic significance, as it is here that all British monarchs have been crowned since the 11th century. From here, we move to Tower Bridge. Its construction took 8 years, 1886 to 1894, and it once ran on steam engines, using up to 3,000 kilograms of coal a day. Now, the bridge runs on electricity and opens about 800 times a year. Its current red, white and blue colours appeared only in 1977. Behind it stands the Tower of London, a symbol of state power and fear. It is believed that, if the ravens leave the tower, the crown will fall, and Britain with it. The ravens' wings are clipped to keep them from flying away, and a special caretaker, or Raven Master, is responsible for their well-being. An integral part of the tower's history are its ghosts, the headless phantom of Anne Boleyn and the White Lady, whose shadows are said to still wander the White Tower. From the gloom of the tower, we move to the light. St Paul's Cathedral, which was designed by Sir Christopher Wren, is a symbol of London's resilience. Its predecessor was destroyed in the Great Fire of 1666, and a phoenix with the inscription Resurgam, which translates to "I will rise again," is carved on its facade. The cathedral also has a rich cinematic history. Its geometric stairs became the staircase in Hogwarts in the Harry Potter films. We end our walk in the literary heart of the city, on Fleet Street. Since the 18th century, it has been the epicentre of British journalism. Here you can see masterpiece Art Deco buildings that once housed newspaper offices. Nearby is one of London's oldest pubs, Ye Olde Cheshire Cheese, which served as a meeting place for such literary giants as Dickens and Dr. Samuel Johnson. And in Gough Square is the House Museum of Dr. Johnson, the creator of the first Dictionary of the English Language. All of this area is filled with stories that are perfect for a themed guide. London is a city where every building, every street, and even every legend holds a deep meaning. We hope this guide helps you uncover its history from unexpected angles. And finally, a few practical tips. The best time to visit London is in the spring or early autumn, when there are fewer tourists. For ideal light, use golden hour, the time at sunrise and sunset. And of course, always wear comfortable shoes. All the routes and places we talked about you can find in my full guide via the link in the description. And if you want to make your journey even more interesting, you'll also find links to guided tours in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our other themed guides. See you next time.